Many attorneys spend their lives trying to keep clients out of jail. But tonight, one Beaumont attorney is preparing to spend a year behind bars after a federal sentencing today. KFDM's Haley Bull is investigating. She joins us now with what she's learned. Haley?
Kelly, Craig Schexnaider has less than a month to surrender at a federal prison after failing to do something most of us do each year, file a federal income tax return.
This case goes back to at least 2008. When, according to court documents, Craig Schexnaider had a gross income of more than $143,000, but didn't file an income tax return by an October 2009 due date. Prosecutors say a date that included a 6-month extension. Last April, the 63-year-old attorney pled guilty to failure to file an income tax return, one of 4 charges he faced. Now, a federal judge has sentenced him to a year in prison, a $5,000 fine, and 1 year of supervised release. The attorney who worked here at the law office of Conley and Schexnaider in Beaumont is also ordered to pay a tax liability of more than $98,000 to the U.S. Treasury.
Very surprising. It's very surprising. Attorneys know better. Attorneys, even if they don't practice this type of law, attorneys are at least familiar somewhat with the tax code. And more importantly, they're familiar with the penalties for not paying your taxes or underpaying your taxes.
Lawyer David Barlow says this kind of case is rare for an attorney.
The U.S. doesn't like to not get paid. That's why an attorney who does not pay them will find themselves, facing the criminal prosecution.
But this offense may not be the last of Schexnaider's troubles.
So even though it's a federal misdemeanor offense, as far as an attorney's bar license, it could be extremely serious, very serious.
The other remaining charges were dismissed. Reporting live in the studio, Haley Bull, 6 News Tonight.